Bengali style mashed potato is a peppery food. As you know, Indian subcontinental people love their food spicy and peppery. This item goes well with plain rice, and ask any Bengali people, they can eat twice more rice than usual with this in their plate. You need 2 large or 3 medium-sized potato for this preparation, 2 egg, 1 large chopped onion, 3 or 4 dry chili. Actually, it depends on you. I used only 3 because I don't like pepper too much. You can use even 8 here if you like peppery food. Roast the chilies first, use mustard oil for flavor, and make sure the stems are connected with the chilies while you roast this, otherwise this will not be crunchy. When these get a dark color like this, you can stop. Use the same oil to slightly roast the onion for 2 or 3 minutes and then turn off your stove. Get rid of the stems before you take the peppers in a bowl. Take a quarter teaspoon of salt and crush them together. Mix it properly until it becomes powdery like this. Then add the roasted onion in it and mix well. Take the boiled potato and crush with your hand, or you can use a potato masher. Crush the eggs in same manner. Then add the onion and chili mixture and mix all the ingredients together. And your mashed potato with egg is ready. You can make a few balls and serve with hot and steamy plain rice. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.